Back to Further Solutions Academy. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment. Also, you can comment below if you need any of our service or you make use of this line 08 you can make use of this line +2348034495990. With this line, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram. Via Telegram is allowed, either of the three. Okay, on this video, or you comment below also, you can request for our online class. You need anything from us, you have a problem to solve. Okay, now you can also contribute. You can make a contribute, because at this point we need a lot of things like pay teachers and also buy bigger board. Now I'll be talking about explosion, which is recoil of a gun. That is what I'll be talking about on this video. Now, when we talk about explosion, let me quickly write some things about this, what I know about the explosion, so that you can be able to be guided when you are solving a problem. Now, when we hear a word this, you have to understand when a gun is fired, the following statement and the equation applies. The first one, momentum of a bullet equals to momentum of the gun, which is of gun. 2, momentum of bullet multiplied by momentum of velocity equals to mass of gun multiplied by recoil velocity, which is number 2, which is going to be m1 v1 equals to mv. Now, the next one is please take note, where m1 v1 equals to mass and velocity of bullet respectively, and mv equals to mass and recoil velocity of the gun respectively. Please take note of this. This is very important to this video. Please take note of that. Everything we want to work on in this video will be applied this to it. Okay, now let's see this. Okay, let's try to work on some things and some problems that will expatiate or explain the statement clearly. I have some problems here also that will be helpful. Now, look at this problem. Now, look at this question. A submachine gun of mass 20 kg fired a bullet of mass 100 grams. Please take note of this. 100 grams, you have to take note of it very well. It's a technical part of it, because you can't use it like that. Due south with a velocity of 250 meters per second. What is the velocity of the gun? What is the velocity of the gun? Now, if I were you, to solve this problem is very simple. The first thing, mass of bullets, which is going to be m1, going to be equals to 100 grams. Please convert this 100 grams to what? Which is 0.1 kilogram. Please take note of that. Very, very important. I have my reason of starting from that area. Now, since I've done that, now I can now move on by having the next part of it is that I think by having that, others are clearly stated. Now, I can now say that velocity of the bullets, which is going to be v1, equals to 250 meters per second. And the last thing you need to know is that mass of gun, which is going to be m equals to 20 kg, which is, you have no problem with this one. I will not say that recoil velocity of gun is the problem, which is I don't know it. Now, the next thing I will do is that don't forget the statement I uttered at the beginning by saying that momentum of the bullet equals to momentum of the gun. Now, which is very important, it means M1 V1 equals to MV, which I will be talking about 0.1 multiply 250 equals to 20 multiplied by V. Now, divide both sides by 2 on 2 by 2. This will cancel this. My V will be equals to this will cancel this, which is I will be having 1 all over 1, which I will be having divided by 2, which I will be talking about. Normally, it will be 1.25 meter per second. 1.25 meter per second. That is what I need to work on. Now, the recoil velocity is always in the opposite direction. Is always in opposite direction. Please take note of that. The recoil velocity is always in the opposite direction of the bullet, which is opposite direction of the what? Of the bullet. Now, velocity due south, therefore, the submarine gun recoil velocity will be 1.25 meter per second due north. Please take note of that. Is very, very important. Why this is, you can see that the other one is in due north. Why the other one, this one with the due here is in due south. Please take note. One is moving, the opposite of it is just the recoil. Please let me recall again. The recoil velocity is always in the opposite direction of the bullet. Velocity due north, therefore the submarine gun recoil velocity is, which is 1.25 meter per second due north. This is due south, and here will be due north. It will be opposite themselves. I think I will be stopping here due to time and other things. Don't forget, you are home with Further Solutions Academy. Once again, thanks for watching.